Jasmy sort of acquired around 4.08% inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The EMA 50 explicitly is as of now at $0.007 in an unobtrusive manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin in every practical sense is floating at $87,003,429, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy by and large has its truly next obstruction at $0.006, or so they sort of thought. 18 October 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these as often as possible, generally sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is by and large momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, for the most part is Jasmy a genuinely wise interest in every practical sense, significant way. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, essentially led us by and large discussion about the genuinely current economic situations, pretty further appearance how Jasmy for the most part acquired roughly 4.08% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours in an especially huge manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,074,990,404 in an unpretentious manner. The really absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $45,617,703,149, showing how Jasmy all things considered acquired roughly 4.08% inside the all things considered most recent 24 hours. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an essentially significant manner. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value lessening of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, most certainly further appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, or so they by and large thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP generally, is somewhere near 0.26 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, showing that market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,092,074,990,404 in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how the very all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $45,617,703,149, showing how Jasmy in every practical sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the most recent 24 hours in a huge manner. These occasions really demonstrate that the market is going in an especially descending course for most certainly present moment, or so they in every practical sense thought. Right now, an especially broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which certainly is very critical. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which truly shows that Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers explicitly become essentially more sort of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any and every way that really matters, further in an unobtrusive way. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which merchants certainly become move sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,092,074,990,404. Genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. In every practical sense, current Jasmy coin cost basically is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the all things considered recent hours. Essentially further appearance how these occasions for the most part show that the market in every way that really matters is going in a sort of descending bearing for fundamentally transient in a fundamentally huge manner. At present, Jasmy for the most part is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, which by and large shows that Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Which really shows that Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost examination for 18 October 2023, inside an everyday time span, explicitly made sense of beneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to sort of investigate the future development of the Jasmy coin, which really shows that as of now, Jasmy essentially is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, which generally shows that Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Which sort of shows that Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining beneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, showing how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a genuinely descending course for genuinely present moment. Which for the most part is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin financial backers need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day diagram, showing how Jasmy coin financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the fundamentally everyday graph, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking essentially. The truly relative strength file, RSI, for Jasmy coin essentially is presently floating at 19 for 14 days pretty normal line, which generally implies Jasmy truly is in oversold zone. And a pattern sort of inversion for the most part is really conceivable in an unpretentious manner. While Jasmy's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span.